Hello and welcome to the latest episode of AI Today, your one stop for all-in-one AI. In this week's highlights we have latest updates on AI, tech and robotics, trending tool and AI flash. Let's begin with latest in AI. Google has rolled out its largest Google Maps update in more than 10 years, integrating its Gemini AI models directly into the app. The release introduces Ask Maps, a conversational system that answers real-world questions, alongside immersive navigation with richer 3D detail. The upgrade transforms Maps from a search tool into an AI assistant capable of planning trips automatically. Nvidia opens its GTC 2026 conference in San Jose next week, with CEO Jensen Huang delivering a 2-hour keynote focused on the company's expanding role in AI and accelerated computing. The event, now considered the Super Bowl of AI infrastructure, shapes industry roadmaps, with last year's architecture updates triggering multi-billion-dollar enterprise spending cycles. Analysts expect major announcements spanning chips, AI factories, and next-gen systems. Meta has acquired Moltbook, the viral Reddit-style platform where AI agents, not humans, post, interact, and negotiate autonomously. First reported by Axios and confirmed by Meta, the deal brings founders Matt Schlicht and Ben Parr into Meta Superintelligence Labs. The acquisition marks Meta's first major step toward an ecosystem of interconnected AI agents. Anthropic has filed 2 federal lawsuits contesting the Pentagon's designation of the company as a supply chain risk and President Trump's directive ordering all federal agencies to stop using its Claude AI systems. The company argues the actions constitute unlawful retaliation for its AI safety stance and exceed federal authority, seeking reversal of both measures. A developer has open-sourced Wi-Fi Dense Pose, a system within the Ruview platform that reconstructs full-body human pose using only Wi-Fi signals. By analyzing how wireless signals bounce around a room, the tool can detect movement, posture, and presence without cameras. The project, inspired by academic research, has sparked both excitement over new sensing capabilities and concerns about surveillance risks. OpenAI plans to embed its Sora video generation model directly into ChatGPT, enabling users to create, edit, and share short AI-generated videos inside the chat interface. The standalone Sora app will remain available, but the integration reflects a strategic shift toward deeper multimodality. The move aims to boost ChatGPT engagement and intensifies competitive pressure on Meta and Google. Anthropic disclosed that its Claude Opus 4.6 model collaborated with Mozilla for 2 weeks to audit Firefox's codebase, uncovering 22 security vulnerabilities, 14 of them high severity. Mozilla has already shipped fixes in recent Firefox updates, protecting hundreds of millions of users. The effort highlights how advanced AI systems are accelerating the discovery of critical software flaws. U.S. forces used Anthropic's Claude alongside Palantir's Maven Smart system to identify and prioritize roughly 1,000 targets within 24 hours during recent strikes on Iran. The AI platform processed vast streams of satellite, surveillance, and intelligence data to accelerate battlefield decision-making. Officials say the system dramatically shortened targeting timelines while keeping human operators in the loop. Perplexity has launched Personal Computer, an always-on AI operating system that runs continuously on a dedicated Mac Mini. The system gives the company's Comet Assistant 24/7 access to a user's files, apps, and sessions, enabling autonomous task execution. Designed as a secure, persistent digital worker, It merges local computing with Perplexity's agentic AI platform. Google has released Gemini Embedding 2, its first fully multimodal embedding model that converts text, images, video, audio, and documents into unified, searchable representations. Now in public preview through the Gemini API and Vertex AI, the model enables faster, cross-modal retrieval and improved enterprise performance, offering significant latency reductions and broad language support. Now let's see what we have in tech and robotics this week. NASA's 1.8-meter Valkyrie humanoid robot is returning to Johnson Space Center after 10 years at the University of Edinburgh, where it advanced research in locomotion, perception, and AI-driven manipulation for future planetary missions. Professor Prokhar Dasgupta at the London Clinic successfully performed a remote robotic prostatectomy on a patient in Gibraltar, 2,400 kilometers away, using the 2My robotic system. The procedure had just 48 milliseconds latency, proving the viability of long-distance telesurgery. Researchers at UT Austin and Texas A&M have grown and harvested chickpeas in simulated lunar soil, a first for space farming. Mixtures with up to 75% regolith-produced crops, but scientists must still verify their safety and nutritional value. Hermes has completed the maiden flight of its quarter-horse Mk 2.1 drone at Spaceport America, initiating a test campaign aimed at supersonic speeds. The effort supports development of Dark Horse, a reusable hypersonic aircraft for future defense operations. Alphabet's Wing secured FAA clearance to operate drone deliveries until 9 p.m. in Dallas, Fort Worth, and Charlotte. The move advances on-demand aerial logistics, enabling groceries, medicine, and essentials to reach homes well into the evening. Tesla's full self-driving supervised has crossed 8 billion cumulative miles, including 3 billion on city streets. Elon Musk now pegs 10 billion miles as the threshold for safe, unsupervised autonomy, keeping robotaxi ambitions in regulatory limbo. The FAA has approved 8 pilot programs to begin electric air taxi trials this summer across 26 states. Startups like Joby, Archer, and Beta will conduct controlled flights under the Advanced Air Mobility Initiative, accelerating urban aviation innovation. Apple is reportedly developing 3 ultra-premium devices for 2026, a $2,000 foldable iPhone, a touchscreen OLED MacBook Pro, and camera-equipped AirPods with AI features, forming a new ultra-tier aimed at luxury tech buyers. Amazon has launched Health AI, a free agentic assistant that reads medical records, books appointments, and manages prescriptions. Prime members get 5 free virtual visits, expanding access to personalized care via Amazon's website and app. Figure AI's latest demo shows its humanoid robot, Figure 03, autonomously tidying a cluttered living room. Powered by the Helix 02 neural system, the robot performs complex tasks like spraying, wiping, and sorting without human control. Here are the 5 trending AI tools that can make your work faster, easier, and way more powerful. First one is Hyperbrowser. It is an AI agent platform that automates complex web tasks like booking flights or ordering groceries, with a 94% success rate across 200 benchmark scenarios. Copilot Cowork is Microsoft's Anthropic-powered AI assistant for M365, designed to autonomously handle complex workplace tasks across Office apps. Key Visual Auto generates marketing content by syncing your Figma designs directly with live CMS data for instant, on-brand assets. Incogni removes your personal data from data brokers and websites so scammers and identity thieves can't easily access or exploit it, and Liminary lets you save everything you see, hear, or read and instantly recall it later using AI-powered memory search. Superpowers AI puts Claude-level visual agents directly on your phone and wearables, giving you advanced on-device perception and assistance anywhere you go. Codex Security is OpenAI's automated security agent that scans code repositories, detects vulnerabilities, and generates patches to fix them. Claude Marketplace lets you spend your Claude credits on third-party AI tools like Lovable, Harvey, and GitLab, extending Claude's capabilities through partner integrations. Recam turns any text into natural, human-quality audio in seconds using advanced AI voice synthesis. Uni1 is Luma's multimodal model that can understand, reason over, and generate both text and images within a single unified system. And lastly, the Vibe Marketplace lets you create, sell, and buy no-code websites, apps, and UI components, all without writing a single line of code. AI Flash to see what else is in AI today. Roy Lee, CEO of Cluely, confessed to fabricating the startup's $7 million revenue figure in a 2025 interview. The retraction follows Cluely's pivot from its AI interview cheating tool to meeting notes, sparking scrutiny over startup transparency. A rising digisexual subculture treats AI chatbots as romantic partners, forming deep emotional bonds. As AI grows more responsive, users report grief when systems change or vanish, raising questions about intimacy, identity, and mental health in human-AI relationships. XPRIZE founder Peter Diamandis is offering $3.5 million for sci-fi films that depict AI as a positive force. The Future Vision contest, backed by Google and Range Media, aims to inspire hopeful narratives amid rising AI anxiety. Anthropic rolled out code review for Claude Code in team and enterprise accounts. The system deploys parallel AI agents to audit pull requests, flag bugs, and post inline comments, automating deep code reviews at scale with PR size. OpenAI is further delaying ChatGPT's adult mode, shelving the verified user-only access plan. The company is refocusing on enhancing intelligence, personality, and proactive agent behavior, prioritizing deeper AI capabilities over content moderation features. Uber has expanded its Women Preferences feature nationwide, letting women and teens request female drivers. First piloted in 2025, the safety-focused option now includes 3 booking modes, though limited driver supply may impact wait times. Xiaomi is exploring Vehicle-Integrated Photovoltaics, VPV, for future EVs, aiming to embed solar panels into car bodies to extend range and power onboard systems. A potential startup tie-up may help sidestep non-compete restrictions amid conflicting reports. Nvidia is launching NemoClaw, an open-source platform for enterprise-grade AI agents. Designed for multi-step task execution across software tools, it enables companies to deploy autonomous agents, hardware-agnostic and expected to debut at GTC 2026. Microsoft filed an amicus brief supporting Anthropic's legal challenge to the Pentagon's supply chain blacklist. It urged a restraining order, warning the ban could disrupt military AI operations and harm national security by sidelining key technologies. Amazon launched a 90-day code safety reset after AI-generated code caused outages that disrupted 6.3 million orders in one day. The company now mandates dual sign-offs for critical deployments and audits across 335 Tier 1 systems. That's it for this week's update on AI. See you next week for more on AI. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to AI Today.